Welcome back to the HKS Tori channel. How well do you know the human body? Let's find out with this general knowledge quiz. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to the HKS Tori channel for other exciting quizzes. First question, which part of your body helps you see? Nose, eyes, or ears? Yes, that's right, eyes. What part of body is used to smell? Nose, tongue, or ear? Right again, nose. Which part helps you hear sounds? Hand, ear, or mouth? You can do it. Good, ears. What body part do we use to walk? Legs, hands, or eyes? Good job, legs. Which body part helps you taste food? Teeth, tongue, or nose? Can guess the correct answer. Yes, tongue. What part of your body pumps blood? Brain, lungs, or heart? Think harder. Good job, heart. Which part of your body help you breathe? Bones, stomach, or lungs? Lungs, not easy. What part of your body helps you think? Brain, heart, or eyes? Yes, it is the brain. Which part covers your whole body? Hair, skin, or nails? I'm sure you know the answer. Just relax. Good job, skin. What part of your body helps you eat and talk? Ear, nose, or mouth? Yes, mouth. Which part of your body bends your arm? Elbow, shoulder, or wrist? Any ideas? Elbow, not easy. What body part connects your hand to your arm? Wrist, knee, or ankle? Yes, wrist. Which part of your body helps you stand straight? Stomach, spine, or lungs? That's right, spine. What do we call the small bones inside our fingers? Vertebrae, ribs, or phalanges? Phalanges, not easy. What part of your body helps you chew food? Lips, tongue, or teeth? You can't do it. Yes, those are teeth. Which part helps you smell flowers? Eyes, nose, or mouth? Can guess. Yes, that's right, nose. What is the hardest part of the human body? Teeth, skull, or bones? Yes, those are teeth. Which part helps you move your hand and fingers? Muscles, brain, or lungs? Right again, muscles. What part protects your brain? Spine, skull, or skin? I'm sure you know the answer. Yes, skull. Which part of your body helps you balance when walking? Hands, legs, or ears? Good job, ears. Choose the next challenge. Don't forget to subscribe and like.